How to fix controller not working in Epic Games. If you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, it's very easy to do this. So what we're going to do is close our Epic Games launcher. Then we're going to open up Steam. And then what you want to do is on the bottom left, click add a game. And then you're going to see add a non-Steam game. Now, what you want to go ahead and do is check Epic Games Launcher in the list. So we're going to go ahead and scroll down and we're going to go ahead and find our Epic Games Launcher. Make sure it's checked. And if it's not listed, then you can obviously just go ahead and browse for it. And that's going to be in Program Files, Epic Games, Launcher, Portal, Binaries, then Win64. Now, what we're going to do is press Add Selected Program. Once you do that, what you want to do is we're going to go ahead and try and enter the big picture mode. So click the big picture mode icon on the top right of Steam, which is going to be this icon right here. And then once you go ahead and do that, connect your controller, launch Epic Games Launcher from your Steam library, then launch your game, and then you should be good to go.